I hate it, I ate it. Are you hungry? Are you angry? Haiti would be fine. 80 would be fine. His heart isn't very good. His art isn't very good. She's eating her supper. She's eating her supper. Don't go too near the edge. Don't go too near the edge. He needs more hair. He needs more air. They harm the soldier. They arm the soldier. Horrible, rehearse, humid, handsome, dishonest, rhyme, neighborhood, half an hour, history, exhibition, alcoholic, ghost, honorable, perhaps, hair, inherit, behave, hotel, vehicle, whose. A hawk from Honduras haul a hare to Haiti. Hold the hawk hawks for him as he halves the ham. Hank's historical honey harvest hold heaps of honey for the hilltop hamlet. Healthy hippo hiccups, healthy hippo hiccups, healthy hippo hiccups. He heard a horn hung on a Hungarian highway. Hugo Harper hit a heavy harp in a Hong Kong hotel hall. A hole in heater is a hazardous hamster habitat. His hobby is hanging in hammocks. He happily hangs in hammocks. If he hadn't a hammock to hang in, he'd holler and howl like hell, then hang his head until he had a hanging hammock to hang in. Does Harry hunt heavy hairy hares? How does Harry hunt heavy hairy hares? If Harry hunts heavy hairy hares, where are the heavy hairy hares Harry hunts? Her husband helped her hook some herring. Herring is what he helped her hook. Herds of harnessed horses have a habit of hurdling high hedges. Hank's historical honey harvests whole heaps of honey for the hilltop hamlet. 100 humble hockey players hold a happy holy holiday. How do harness hover and hang halfway in hot air? A happy hidden hermit on a hill hates hearing hello from humans on holiday.